Alright guys and girls, here we have a 99 Mitsubishi Montero. We're going to show you how to remove the window switch. Now this procedure can go for many different vehicles, so check out the description to see if your vehicle fits in one. Now this is very simple. Now in the front of this window switch, there's a metal clip right here. And then there's a hook on the back, so make sure you don't pry up on the back or you're going to break it. Now what you're going to do is take you a plastic pry bar, and sometimes it's kind of difficult to get up under there, but okay, good, I got up under it right there. So what you want to do is go up here, bring it around to the front of it, and just twist it. Check that out. Pop it up. When you pop it up, slide it forward and up. Now bring it down. This is what I was telling you about, this little tab right here. This tab locks up in on under the door panel, so if you pull it from here, you're going to break it. Now let's get this disconnected so I can show you the other side of it. So what you want to do, you got this white connector right here. You have a little tab right here. Squeeze that tab into the connector and wiggle it and pop it out. Over here you have this one. And what you want to do is take this tab, squeeze it in, wiggle it, and pop it up. Now on the other side of this switch, this is the piece I was telling you about, this little clip. So stick this back in there. Let's come around this way. So to install this, you would first hook this in to the door panel. And watch that clip will spring back and pop right back into place. But let's get this back up. Now to change this, we don't have it, I'm just showing you how to do this. And what you would do is you got 3 Phillips screws, 1, 2, and 3. When you take those out, the whole switch is going to come out. Put your new one in, put them back in, and lock it up. Now as far as the window switch, the mirror switch, that's all you have to do is just take your fingers, push it right out. Let's put it back in, and that's all it does. Snap back into place. Alright guys and girls, hope this video helped you out.